Hello, I'm Justin Smith, and this is NX Tips and Tricks Animation Designer. Here, we have a gear motor assembly. I've already created an animation that hides the outer case and shows the movement of the internal assembly. Let's take a closer look at this gear motor in the animation using an animated camera. By selecting Capture Animated Camera, it'll add the view I see in the window to the animation. After the cover fades from view, let's pan over to this angle and add a camera view. Once the gearbox casing fades from view, we can get a closer look at the gears, so I'll capture a close-up of the worm gear. Notice when I create the camera position, it gets placed on the timeline. I can view how the camera moves from position to position by clicking and grabbing the slider. To place my next position, I'll move the camera a couple seconds ahead of where the previous position was. This will determine how long the camera has to traverse to the next position from the previous. Let's end this animation with a pan to an isometric view of the entire assembly. I can edit the start time of each camera position and transition mode in the animated camera mode here. I'd like to keep the transition mode linear, and we'll change the start time to 13 seconds, and click OK. I also want to end the animation with the casing of the gear motor assembly fading back into view. I select Animated Visibility and insert another event that begins around 13 seconds and ends at 15 seconds. I'll repeat this for the gear motor case visibility as well. Now that we have made some changes to the animation, let's see how it turned out by selecting play. In this demonstration, we added animated camera positions and additional animated visibility events to add some depth to our animation. Thank you.